Finally, I got everything under control. You know, when you're about to make a crazy video, do something crazy, do something spontaneous, and everything just goes wrong. And you're like, maybe I shouldn't do this. Maybe it's a sign I shouldn't do this, but no. Not today. Not today. Today, I'm just feeling very impulsive. I feel like I should open this door. It's like echoing. Maybe that's better. Yeah. Y'all have heard me say this on my channel. I've been wanting to cut my hair myself for the longest time. Came across this method of unicorn haircuts or whatever. And I am just dying. I'm just dying to try it. So basically what the unicorn haircut is you just get all your hair up into the front while it's wet, and then you just snip and you're done. You get layers, all from just one small cut. Every time I leave the hair salon, I want to cry. I just die inside because letting go of my hair is just, I'm just so attached to it, you know? And ever since I was a kid, my mom would give me these ugly bob, bowl style haircuts. I'm gonna insert that so you can see what I went through as a child. She still tells me till this day that it was the style. Here is how it looks from the back. It is just so tangled up. It's like a freaking nest in here. So let me just go grab the scissors I'm using. Alright guys, here's the scissors I'm going to be using today. They are by, I don't know, somebody from Walmart or Target, you know, they're my favorite color. I'm just kidding guys. Honestly, I was going to use these scissors because I just did not want to go out and buy some freaking shears. But you know, I do care about my hair and clearly it needs Jesus right now. I am just talking so much right now because I'm stalling, because I'm terrified, honestly. But at least I'll just have control of my own hair and I won't need to go to the hair salon. Okay, so here's the real scissors I'm going to be using. I have no idea what this brand is. Ulta doesn't really have that many options. And then I also got this rat's tail. Freaking looks so short right now. So you can see I have short layers up here. Y'all see how the ends are so, like, where are the ends? You can't really see the ends. Hey look, my hair doesn't even look even. But let's see the longest piece, how far down it goes. Well, basically it goes right on my booty, right there. All right, I'm gonna go hop in the shower and I will be back
the next day.
So what had happened was, I fell asleep after that shower last night, and then like I had class in the morning, and yeah, my hair dried up and there's no product in it, but don't you worry, I have my handy dandy water bottle. Okay, my hair is all nice and soaked. Just show you how long it is when it's wet. I know I did a review on the Tangle Teaser, but I actually love the Tangle Teaser when my hair is like completely detangled. It actually just distributes water and product in my hair so well. Basically, it's almost right at my hip bones. That's from the front. And then from the back, it touches my foot right there. So my hair measures to about, so 2 feet and about 3 inches. And I'm thinking about taking 3 inches off, so about this much. So basically about 3 inches. What I'm gonna do is just flip my hair and then brush it out this way. And I'm trying to get it as smooth as possible. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my hair tie and Make sure there's no bumps and then tie it up. I'm just brushing it again, and then I'm gonna make another, I don't know why I was gonna say incision. What do I think this is? I'm not talking a lot right now because I'm like really nervous. But now I'm gonna take a white one so you guys can see better where like I'm going to cut off. But let me just take that ruler one more time, see if this is actually gonna be 3 inches. Yep. Okay. So you can see how freaking thin it is at the bottom. Like it doesn't even look like I'm cutting off that much, but trust me, this is gonna make a huge difference. I'm scared. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start small at the bottom. Not too much. Oh my god, this turned into like half a foot. Why did it get so... Oh, I'm bringing this down, honey. Okay. You can do it, Farrah. You can do it. Wait, I need to show you. Damn, how am I gonna do this and see at the same time? Oh my god, I can't do it. My hands are shaking. Oh my god, I did it! Oh girl, that is uneven as hell. Wow. Professional right here. Look at that. Straight cut. Oh my god. Here's my hair. It looks like nothing. Oh my god, wait. Should I do more? I don't know. Should I do more? I'm scared. I want to look at it. Okay, maybe I should do more. No. That's too much. Should I? No, I'm gonna see how it looks first. It looks like I didn't do anything. Oh my god. Wait. No, is this uneven? Oh my god, there's actual layers. But like, wait. Ooh, wait, it's already curling up from the bottom. Guys, I feel good. That was not that stressful. But the real test is gonna be when I straighten my hair. What the hell is it gonna look like? Honestly, it looks like I didn't even cut anything off. Which is how I would like to feel when I leave the hair salon. I mean, it looks like there's no more dead ends. So I'd say this looks pretty even. What do you guys think? I still see some split ends. I might have to do this again. I might have to do more. I don't know. I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. I feel like I should take some more off. I don't want to. I don't want to do it again. I think it's fine. I think it's fine. We'll be fine. Okay guys, I'm gonna style my hair now and then I'll be back when I have curly hair again.
A few moments later.
Y'all, I am shook. You are not ready for this. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look how defined my curls are. I can't believe that just that little amount of hair that I chopped off did this. Girl, look how beautiful it looks. Oh my god. If you haven't tried the unicorn haircut, what are you waiting for? What are you doing with your life? Like, I love it so much. Like, when you have curly hair, it doesn't really matter if the haircut is uneven or whatever. I'm gonna straighten my hair soon in another video, so you guys can look out for that to see how it ends up looking when it's straight. I might even end up chopping off a little bit more when it's straight to like even it out. But to me, it looks so even right now. It looks honestly perfect and exactly what I wanted. So if you guys have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. Obviously, I'm not a hairstylist. I did notice though that like some of the inner layers are like, this one just doesn't make sense. Like, why is this curl all the way up here? It doesn't make sense that there's a layer that's that short up here. So maybe you shouldn't try this at home. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see you guys in my next video.